I'm looking forward to more travel in 2025.
New opportunities and personal life. My daughter coming to see me more often.
My 2025 New Year's resolution is definitely to spend more time with my family.
2025, I am looking forward to leveraging new technology like AI to make our sales team more effective and efficient in the market.
We have a great team and we're looking forward to our busy season coming soon.
One of the main things I would like to do is pick up my guitar again and learn to play better, commit to practicing.
My fourth grandchild will be here.
I have no resolution.
Everything's working out perfectly for you.
Absolutely.
I want to get back to the gym and start weightlifting again.
I guess my resolution for 2025 is to declutter more and kiss my baby more often.
The only thing that I want in 2025 is for the Lions to win the Super Bowl.
My New Year's resolution is to read more books.
I'm going to try and learn some Spanish so I can teach our son a little more Spanish because my wife is fluent in Spanish.
2025, I'm looking forward to the Packers winning the Super Bowl.
You know, I really don't set resolutions, I make goals. And one of my goals for 2025 is to take new and emerging leaders and create the best culture of leadership within the organization.
So my 2025 New Year's resolution is not only to teach my boys to make the best of every situation, but to demonstrate that can work in my personal life, at home, or here at work as well.